What's up, everyone? I'm Onam. I hope you all been great. But basically, today I just want to show you how I've been dubbing stuff and remixing songs while keeping the melody, while keeping the instrumental, but just changing the language. So, right in front of you, you're having this new channel that I'm running. It's actually my new channel. Go subscribe if you're interested in if you like kid content, if you got kids, this is maybe a channel that you want to follow. Go subscribe and check it out. It's called Abana TV on YouTube. And so I'm gonna show you an example of what I'm talking about, right? Right now, here I'm having a video of Lala making chapati, and it's an English song. And on the side, of course, you have a Swahili version. I'm gonna play the English one, and I'll play the Swahili one, and then I'll show you how I did it. And the next thing is we're gonna do together the French one. Interesting, right? Let's do it. So I'm just gonna go ahead and play the English version. I'm not gonna play the full episode. So if you wanna watch it, or if you wanna watch the full one, I'll put the link right there or right here. Here.
Are you ready? Lala makes chapati, roll it nice and round. Flip it on the frying pan, hear the sizzle sound. Roll it, 1, 2, 3. Chapati time is fun for me. Mama taught me what to do. Flour, water, mix it too. Smiling, singing happily. Chapati time is fun for me.
Alright, so that's the English version. Now I'm gonna play the Swahili version.
Lala anatengeneza chapati, anazikunja kunja duara, zikipikwa kwenye kikaango, unasikia sauti ya shwa. Kunja kunja, 1, 2, 3. Wakati wa chapati ni furaha kwangu.
I don't know if you noticed it, but the melody remained the same. The instrumentals well didn't change. The only thing that changed was actually just the language. The meaning of the lyrics was literally the same as well. And now let's go ahead and make one together in French. The beauty about this, again, is if you want to reach a broad audience with the same content, you don't have to re-record again or remake different content. So it's just dub the same content but in different language. Now let's go ahead and make the same music in French. So first thing I did, of course, I have my lyrics. My lyrics is this one. Like you're saying, now you're looking at my chat GPT. I have this is my lyrics. Can I write? It doesn't. Right, so this is my lyrics. I have the English one here. Lala's making chapati, roll it nice and round, flip. That's the lyrics, right? So I've just asked Chat to translate this song in French. And this is what it has given me. Lala fait des chapates, bien rondi et joli. So I'm just gonna copy this. Alright, and then just make sure you copy your lyrics. I make sure I copy it, and then the next thing I'll do now, I wanna go on Sono AI. So just go online, type sono.com. It's a platform for making music, AI music. But then here we're gonna use it to remix a song. So we're gonna go under audio and try to import the English version of the song that we're trying to remix, right? Make sure you go locate it where you saved it from. I think I saved it under my drive. Try again. Under Lala song. This is it. And then of course you press on agree on terms. This is basically just to trim it if you want to trim your song, but I don't want to trim it, so I'll just leave it as it is. I'll save it. And then now this is the option it gives you, right? So like make something with your audio cover, extend, or save as. I think I'm making a cover, so I'm gonna select on cover and click on continue. All right. Now all you have to write now next down here is the lyrics. Remember the lyrics that we copied from ChatGPT? We're just gonna paste it here. Okay. Okay, it's right there. Now here we're supposed to put the tags of the style of the music that we're making. Do I really actually need this tag? Because since it's a remix, I don't think I need a tag, right? Because we're just following the. So, but most of the time, putting the style in tags is like if you're creating a new one. So if it depends on what type of music you're making, kid music, pop music, like rock, hip hop, Afro, it's up to you, right? But I don't think in this case we actually need to select the style because we're just remixing it. So I'm just gonna go ahead and click on remix. Let's wait for it. It's gonna do its stuff. Give it like a second. And then usually it gives you two options. So you get to choose which one you like. I'll play the first one.
Lala fait des chapatis bien ronds et jolis. Dans la poêle qui chauffe, écoute le pchit aussi. Rouler, rouler, 1, 2, 3. Faire des chapatis, quel beau choix. Maman m'a montré quoi faire. Farine, eau, on mélange clair. En souriant, je chante aussi. Faire des chapatis, c'est la vie. Lala fait des chapatis bien ronds et jolis. Dans la poêle qui chauffe, écoute le pchit aussi. Rouler, rouler, 1, 2, 3.
But the first one is already good. I'm okay with it. I'll literally use that one. Let's listen to the second one.
Lala fait des chapatis bien ronds et jolis. Dans la poêle qui chauffe, écoute le pchit aussi. Rouler, rouler, 1, 2, 3. Faire des chapatis, quel beau choix. Maman m'a montré quoi faire.
Oh.
Farine, eau, on mélange clair. En souriant.
So, yeah, that's how I get to remix them. And it's pretty forward. You just need to, I think we basically need like 3 steps. You translate your lyrics, and then you take it to Sono. 2 steps actually, and then you're done. What's up everyone, I'm Onamja, it was a pleasure. This is your art conversation and see you next time. Peace.